Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of sheer curtains, a timeless window treatment option that adds elegance, softness, and a touch of romance to any space. Whether you're looking to enhance natural light, create a dreamy atmosphere, or add a finishing touch to your decor, sheer curtains are a versatile and stylish choice. Stick around as we guide you through everything you need to know about choosing and hanging sheer curtains. Let's get started. 1. Understanding sheer curtains. Let's start with the basics. Sheer curtains are made from lightweight, translucent fabrics that allow diffused light to filter through while still providing privacy. These curtains are perfect for adding a soft and airy feel to any room, and they come in a variety of colors, patterns, and textures to suit any decor style. 2. Choosing the right fabric. The first step in choosing sheer curtains is selecting the right fabric. Sheer curtains come in a range of materials, including linen, cotton, polyester, and voile, each offering its own unique look and feel. Consider the level of privacy you desire, the amount of natural light you want to let in, and the overall aesthetic of your space when choosing the fabric for your sheer curtains. 3. Selecting the perfect color and pattern. Next, consider the color and pattern of your sheer curtains. Sheer curtains are available in a wide range of colors, from soft neutrals like white and ivory to bold hues like navy and emerald green. You can also choose from a variety of patterns, including floral, geometric, and striped, to add visual interest and personality to your windows. 4. Hanging sheer curtains. For a modern and minimalist look, consider hanging sheer curtains on a tension rod or decorative curtain rod with clip rings. You can hang sheer curtains on their own for a light and airy look, or you can layer them with heavier curtains or drapes for added privacy and insulation. Now let's talk about hanging sheer curtains. When it comes to hanging sheer curtains, there are a few different options to consider. 5. Styling tips and tricks. Finally, here are a few styling tips and tricks for using sheer curtains in your space. To create the illusion of taller windows, hang sheer curtains from floor to ceiling and extend them beyond the sides of the window frame. For added drama, choose sheer curtains with embellishments like embroidery, beading, or sequins. And there you have it, a complete guide to choosing and hanging sheer curtains. Whether you're looking to enhance natural light, add a soft and airy feel to your space, or simply add a touch of elegance to your decor, sheer curtains are a versatile and stylish window treatment option. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more home decor tips and inspiration. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy decorating!